Saan nyo nakita yung 125 million pesos na in-encash nyo sa araw na iyon sa loob ng bangko?
Doon po sa may likod ng teller, Your Honor.
Yan. Okay, now. Sa likod
Open
ng...
space po,
Okay. Sa likod ng
teller.
teller. Now, ma'am, can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry sir ha, pero dili kay ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement.
We
Pero
will help you.
nakasulod siya sa, nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
na nakabandal tag 1
One-
million ang isa ka bundle nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor,
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel,
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
yes, counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this AI?
Wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor,
Um,
artificial intelligence? Is this AI
Yes.
generated?
Yes.
Counsels, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am
Oh.
Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad. Kasing lapad po ng witness stand. 125 million po yan. Dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The procedure.
Your witness, counsel.
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Sa isa kang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question.
Now,
And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo, yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo, hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yun sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung 1 milyon, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor.
Wait. Sabi,
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Gutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tigi 1,000 winidraw ninyo?
Ay, Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am, I
100,000?
think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi 1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi 1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong winidraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba? Lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor, basta nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos
ganito
parehas
po.
Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gamay, Your Honor.
Okay.
May manggod siya, lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na yun, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash. Sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor.
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili natin
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are you
very
done
much-
yet with that, with your
Not yet, Your
simulation,
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Now.
Wind it up.
Yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko.
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bakel.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
May we
I
just
am
request,
going
Your Honor?
there.
I'm still not finished. May we just the defense respectfully request, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I see,
Question.
Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well, Attorney Legutan is getting to, get to it, Attorney Legutan.
Yes. Okay,
Ms.
now,
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinikap niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
Attorney Legutan, your witness.
Okay, now, walang membro ng VP-SPG, okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Oh, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes,
Okay
Your Honor.
How did you bring out of the bank yun yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na iyan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay now. Sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na iyan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, no, we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove.
Proceed, counsel.
Okay, now, you said you put them sa mga traveling bags. Ilang bags? 4 po, di ba?
4, Your Honor.
Can you describe to us yung size ng mga traveling bags na ito?
Ganito, Your Honor.
Ganyan.
Paublong.
Okay, now. Okay, paublong. I will show you now representation of 125 million pesos inside 4 traveling bags. Ito yung tanong now. Okay. 4 traveling bags with bills, 1,000 peso bills inside them. Yung hapon na yun, ma'am, maalala nyo ba, Miss Gina F. Acosta, kung yung na-withdraw nyo na 125 million pesos na isinilid nyo sa 4 traveling bags, do they look like this?
Before you answer,
Being flashed on
Gina,
screen.
counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, we interpose the same objection as regards the use of AI-generated imagery, Your Honor, without laying the proper basis as to how it accurately represents what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
No, it's
It has
for-
no basis, Your Honor.
The
and-
court will simply note the objection of counsel, and counsel, the court will also take note of your continuing objection with respect to the use of AI-generated
Opo.
representations
Yeah.
of what he is asking the witness about.
Mhm.
If it shows closely or not, what bag she used to bring out the 125 million.
Opo.
With your permission, counsel, court will note your continuing objection, the use of AI representations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Counsel will please, witness will please answer, Ma'am Gina. Parang ganyan po ba yung 4 na bag na pinaglagyan nyo?
Hindi ganyan, Your Honor, kasi ang opening niyan is round.
Opo.
Yun po.
Ang sa akin, ang dinala ko po na bag is pag ganun po ang zipper.
Pahaba. Yung kabuuan ng bag. Okay, number 1, yun ang isang pagkakaiba. Kulay,
Kulay black.
pareho. At 4 na bag, kumasa yung 125.
4 po na bag, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, in putting the bills inside the bag, okay, sino ba yung tumulong sa paglalagay ng mga bills, yung 1,000 peso bills sa mga bags na ito? Sino yung gumawa niyan?
Ako po, Your Honor, ang naglagay ng mga pera sa bag.
Alright. May membro ba ng VPSPG na tumulong sa iyo sa paglalagay ng mga bills na yan sa bag?
Wala, Your Honor.
Then, how long did it take for you to put all the 125 million pesos into the bags?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Maaalala niyo po ba, kasi sa kayo naglagay doon, maaalala niyo po ba gaano ba kabigat yung isang bag containing piles of 1,000 peso bills piled into 1 million each?
Basta mabigat po, Your
Mabigat.
Honor.
What about 30 kilograms per bag? Kung maalala mo.
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Alright. Ikaw ba ay nagkarga ng isa sa mga 4 bags na ito?
Wala, Your Honor.
Oh, so sino yung nagkarga?
Bali, ganito po. Yung kung ang pera ay nandiyon na sa lahat na nailagay na po sa 4 na bag. Sa dihang on a while na ilabas ko na po, Your Honor, tumulong po sa akin ang 2 security guard, Your Honor. Ginano nila, Your Honor, papunta sa entrance ng bangko kung saan naghintay po ang aming sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos ako, Your Honor, nagsunod, nagtanaw sa 2 ka security, Your Honor.
Alright.